Well, hello there world, my name is Formative Fox and today I'm showing you how to do these fun feather costume lashes. I used to have a character a long time ago that I did these lashes for, and I know you can probably buy them done professionally, but I preferred to make my own because I wanted my own arrangements and my own colors and yada yada. But if you want to do the same, I'm actually going to show you how because I've gotten some questions on how to do them. So let's get to it.
Alright, so you're going to take feathers in your desired color and you're going to make sure that they're the baby feathers like these ones that are still fluffy, otherwise they're going to look very stiff on your lashes. And then you're going to cut them to size and keep them in the orientation that you would like to put them on the lashes, just to keep everything organized. I preferred to cut them in a triangular pattern. You definitely can do whatever you'd like. You can leave them more rounded if you wish to. I just liked the triangular or pointed pattern. And this is a very messy process, so make sure to do this before vacuuming. Unlike I did this after vacuuming and I regretted my life decisions. And I ended up cutting for this one 4 feathers, 2 bigger ones and then 2 smaller ones. For my red pair of lashes, I only did 3 large ones. So you can kind of play with what you would like or what you want the end result to be. Now with the lash type that I used my regular set of lashes, just ones that I had worn out. So they were getting a little bit ratty, so to revamp them and reuse them, I used them for this. I found doing this that thicker lashes and the lashes with the more realistic hairs work a little bit better as opposed to the plasticky, cheaper lashes, just because the glue sticks a little bit better on the base of the lashes and the feathers stick a little bit better to the lashes themselves. Once you have your layout of desired feathers and they're in the correct shape, you are going to try and condense your mess and put aside the feathers that you didn't use for later use or throw them away if you're completely done with them. And then you are going to start putting the lash glue at the base of the lashes. Only put it next to the band and be very sparse with it. The feathers will stick and they aren't heavy, so it doesn't require a lot. If you put too much, the band is going to be too stiff to work with. And I started from the outermost corner of the lashes just so that you can position the outer ones the way that you would like to, and then following with the inner ones. And you're going to do the same thing with the secondary lash. I've found pointing them outwards has a little bit of a nicer aesthetic, and it makes for a nicer finished product. And that's about it. This is a really easy way to spice up a makeup look or a cosplay look, and I really hope you have fun with it.
That, my dears, is how you make the lashes. If you do end up trying it yourself, please feel free to tag me. I would love to see what you come up with. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, on Twitch now, obviously on TikTok, and on here if you wish to. You can hit that subscribe and that notification bell. Ugh, I feel weird saying that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.